Today I'm excited to tell you about some new features we're adding to Shopblocks. We're constantly finding new ways to improve how the world shops online, and today we're announcing features aimed directly at the people that buy and sell more than anyone else. Our best customers are those who buy from us a lot, and if you can make your e-commerce work especially well for your best customers, they won't want to shop anywhere else. Purchasing goods online to restock our shelves or get the equipment we need to fulfill a contract can be a tedious process with some suppliers. Repeating this every day and meeting deadlines for next day delivery cutoffs can be a hassle. Today I want to show you 3 ways Shopblocks is solving these problems, helping our users sell more online by making the buying process itself much more efficient. First off, we'll see how to add many items to an order in record time. Then, I'll show how we can eradicate the checkout, delivery and payment stages of online shopping through new automations. Third, I'll show how replenishing stock can be fully automated end to end with our new Auto Replen features. Here's how it works. Okay, first off, I'm going to show the new bulk order by SKU block. Here I am in Block Lab, adding the new block to a page. And with this new block, what customers can do is either copy and paste large numbers of SKUs and quantities straight in, or import from a CSV file. I've designed my page and I've published it, and here we are now heading to the front end website. So, in Google Sheets here, I can download 8 SKUs and some quantities and import them straight in and add them all to basket. Whether it's 8, 80 or 800 products, it speeds up shopping by a lot. Okay, next on the list is the new auto checkout plugin, an automated way to just completely eradicate the delivery and payment stages of shopping online. Here I'm in Shopblocks again, checking out the new plugin. Let's head to the settings page and configure the plugin just how we need it. All auto checkout does is wait till the cutoff time and then check out automatically any orders that are in play at that time. But crucially, customers have to opt into this functionality. Let's activate the plugin. I've set my cutoff time to 3 o'clock and I've deactivated Saturday and Sunday there, as I don't want any orders to be automatically checked out on those days. I can also set an email notification to go to my customers, reminding them that an auto checkout order is just about to happen. Okay, in the customer view of my test website here, let's log in and have a look how I can opt in as a customer to this new functionality. Once I'm logged in, I'm going to head over to the My Account page. Now, it's really easy to enable auto checkout, but the orange warning here is just telling me that I can't yet because I need to set up my wallet. Wallet is the new feature of Shopblocks where you can set your payment methods and delivery preferences. So let's head into the wallet. And as a customer, I just need to enable a default payment method and I'm all done. I'll head back to the account page and I can now tick the box to opt in to auto checkout. Okay, now I can shop as normal, add to basket, and I can be safe in the knowledge that even if I completely forget about this order, it'll be checked out for me automatically at the cutoff time. Now, here we are at 3 o'clock at the cutoff time, and there's my order coming through. And we provide a little bit more information in the order history. Here we can see that it was auto checkout that checked the order out. Okay, third and final on my list, we're going to talk about Auto Replen, which uses the auto checkout functionality I've just shown you. This needs a bit of setup, and you're going to need your developers to hook up to the Shopblocks API. Let's look at an example. So, imagine that you've got some products that are low on stock. Triggering an API call as that happens can create an order and add items to that basket automatically. Once the auto checkout cutoff time happens, your order's submitted and away it goes. I'm just going to show you a quick example of how these API calls might work. If you go to api.shopblocks.com, you can see really clear instructions on how you can create and update orders. All the information's there for your developers. Here I am in our API testing software, Postman, and you can see how easy it is to create an order Super simple. All the minimum requirements are is to set a date, status, and items. And if I look down here after I've made that API call, I can see that my order has been given ID number 28. Okay, let's head into the Shopblocks platform and have a look at those uncommitted orders. Okay, here's the order that I've just created with one item in the basket so far. I'm going to head back to Postman now, and we can use the patch API, which is similar to the other one. Just need to add 28 as the ID of the order that I'm going to update. And this time I've got 2 items in there, 2 SKUs, a quantity of 20 and a quantity of 2. Back in Shopblocks, now that I've made that API call, I can hit refresh and we can see that the API is now driving what items are on this order. At the auto checkout cutoff time, this order will be processed automatically, ensuring our goods arrive next day. And there it is. With these new features, we can all save a lot of time, but also reduce errors and ensure our supplies arrive exactly when we need them. Giving your website's customers these new tools means a better shopping experience is guaranteed, making them stickier and more likely to buy from you again and again. Get in touch with your Shopblocks Customer Success Manager if you'd like help getting started with these new features. Helping you launch the best B2B e-commerce sites in the world and finding new ways to help you be more successful is what we're all about here at Shopblocks. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.
It's been so long, I've been out of my body with you.